In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. If you've ever wished your calendar could show something other than the default due date, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to create a custom date field in a list so you can later surface that date in your calendar. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and have permission to edit fields in the workspace you're using. Start by heading to ClickUp in your browser. Once you're in, navigate to the space that holds the work you want to manage. A space is the top-level container for a team or workflow, so choose the one where these tasks live. Opening the right space keeps everything consistent and makes the new field available exactly where you need it. Inside the space, open the list that contains your tasks. Lists are where your tasks sit and where columns are displayed. We'll add the custom date as a new column, so every task in this list can have that date applied. At the top of your list view, click the option to add a new column. This is how you introduce a custom field to your tasks. When the field picker opens, select the date field type. A date field is perfect for things like target publish dates, handoff deadlines, or review milestones that are separate from a task's standard due date. Give your new date field a clear, specific name. Think about how you want to filter and read it later. Names like launch date, client review, or content publish work well because they tell your team exactly what the date represents. Consistent naming helps with sorting and calendar visibility later on. Click Create to add the field to your list. You'll see a new column appear for that custom date. You can drag and reorder columns if you want this one to sit closer to your task titles or near other planning fields. Keeping related fields together saves time when you're scanning the board. Now select a date for one or more tasks by clicking into the new column and choosing a date from the picker. Apply it wherever the milestone applies. This is the key step that makes your calendar powerful because tasks with values in this field can be visualized based on this date, not just the default due date. That's it. You've created a custom date field, named it clearly, and populated it on your tasks. With this in place, you'll be able to organize timelines more precisely and align your calendar to what truly matters in your workflow.